guys, and welcome to a new episode of Learn Italian with Andrea. For this episode you won't need any paper or any pens, because in fact for this lesson I will speak about the Italian body language. As you all know, Italian people, they love to speak using the hands and the facial expression we call the body language basically. I never noticed until I went to UK and they told me, oh, Italian people, they use a lot the hands and the arms, the facial expression. I was like, why don't you do that? And they were like, oh, not really, this is like something traditional in Italy. I was like, well, fair enough. Okay, so for this lesson I will teach you some of the most important body language expression in Italy, okay? But I'm gonna do a second video about it because there are so many body language expression we make, so I need a second video. For this video I'm gonna start with some of them, and let's start with the first one, probably the most common one. And the first one is this. Look at the hand. This movement, it means many things. It means what? Like this? What are you saying? Or it means why? Why did you do that? Why? Ping, ping, ping. Or it means where? So, where? I can find it. Where is it? I can find it. Where? So it means what, why, and where. Three things, one movement. Nice and easy. Another one is this one. You put the hand behind your chin and you do like this. It means I don't care. I don't care. Whatever you say, keep saying it because I don't care. Another one is this one. You put the hand like this and you do like this. Or another version of this one is this. Smamma. Smamma. And you say smamma. And it means like go away. Go away because you're pissing me off, so go away. Another one is this one. It means is it over? Finished? Is it finished? Or maybe if you are looking for something, they say you can find it, you do this. No? No more? So you put the head like a pistol, like a gun, and you do like ti 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 ti. This is another traditional movement. You can see this especially during the football match, soccer. When someone misses the goal, you do ay, and you put the hand straight and the palm outside. It's like, look at that asshole. Look at that. He missed the goal. We could score. So you do hey. You raise the hand straight. It's straight, the palm out. And it means like, look at that. Another movement we use a lot is this one. This one, it means many things. So if you do like far away from your body with your eyes closed, like if you could imagine, or it means like if I bring you and knock you down, like if I take you, I will push, like I will punch you. So also this one is when the mom wants to like punish the kid. Like if the kid has been like silly or done something stupid, to. If I take you and knock you down. Or if you do like this near the body, like this, near the face, it means long ago, many years ago, long ago. Another one, we use always the magic hand in this position, and we open and close quick. This one, it means did you shit yourself? Did you shit yourself? Like fear, paura, fear. So it means literally you shitted yourself. Another one, a classic, this is one of the most classic movements in Italy. You see this in many movies and all around Italy. Bam! The umbrella. Like this. And it means go yourself. Okay? Tie. When someone say something to you and it's super impossible, or like it's something super stupid, or I can do, like forget, I won't do it, you can do this movement. Are you stupid or what? Like you do this in front of your face, like, hey. You can always add a little bit of oh, ah, when you do these movements, because it's more, more Italian, let's say. So, sei scemo, sei scemo, are you stupid, are you stupid? When we do this movement, it means, got it, okay, but it is kind of international, okay? So we also use in Italian, okay, Rogit. No, 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 this is also Italian, but you have to put the mouth like, no. The last one for today is this one. What did you think about? What? Like, why did you do that? So you put the magic hand as always, like this, and you boom, boom, touch your forehead, and you kind of go up and down like, why did you do that? What were you thinking about? Why did you do something so crazy? You did something crazy, you react to that like, what the hell? So guys, this is pretty much the Italian body language for today. As I told you, I'm gonna do a second lesson. I'm sure it's very interesting to know all those things. Many people say you can actually speak not using words in Italy. They are pretty close to that, it's not too far away. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson, it's literally for fun. And if you enjoyed this lesson, thumb up, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends if they love the Italian movements, the Italian body language, or just if they want to learn some Italian, okay? I'll catch you on next lesson, guys. Thank you for watching this video and arrivederci. Ciao ciao!